Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Champion. In this video, today I'm going to explain about how to install Terraform on Windows system. Let's in search bar we will type Terraform downloads. I will select official website and I'm going to install for Windows. I will search for that. Okay, here the Windows, here AMD. I will select and I will download. Okay, download is completed. Then I will open this one. Here I will close. I will go for downloads. Okay, I have this zip file. Okay, now I am going to local C drive. Here I will create one folder with name Terraform. Again I'm going to downloads. I will unzip this file into local C drive in that Terraform folder. Okay, extract files and click on local C drive. In that I created one Terraform folder. Within this folder I will be unzipping the file. Click on OK. Now I will go to C drive and I will verify whether my unzipped file came or not. Yes, it is there. Now I am going to system variables, environment variables. Okay, we should edit environment variables for only system environment. We should not select user one. Here we should select advanced. In that we should click on this environment variables, and again here we should select system variables. In this we should select path, edit, new we should give, and we should collect this path C drive Terraform. Okay, we are setting path in environment variables. Click on new and paste it and click on OK, OK, OK. Make sure every time we should click on OK only, then only it will change. OK, then close this one also, and now we will verify whether Terraform is installed or not. For that we will open the command prompt. OK, I will check with command Terraform -v and execute it. Yes, successfully Terraform v1.7.3 installed on Windows. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.